Hello Pipa, hello George. Minasan, konnichiwa. Samurai Angel desu.
Daddy,
Hmm.
can you put me
Where is my Jiko-chan?
where I am? How can I get the food? Mommy.
Look. Pipa is
Run.
trying to eat cooked rice from my plate. From my dinner plate.
Daddy,
Okay.
can you get the food, please?
So this is, what is our bayad, ma'am?
Come.
Sweet and sour lapu-lapu fish. But Pipa is not trying to eat the fish. Look. Pipa reacts weird when she tasted the, what is that, ma'am? Luya? Is that a luya? Ginger.
Daddy,
When
Dad.
Pipa tasted the ginger,
Dad, can
she
you get
reacted
the feed?
weird.
Can you get the feed, please? Food George to be tame, please.
We are taming Pipa. But how about George? You are not taming George. You have to tame George too. So this is the 30th day of our taming budgies. Look, Jiko-chan is taming.
I didn't ask.
Tinapon ka agad eh. It's okay.
Paano tinaktak niya tapos may natira pa. Hinayupan niya.
Ay, don't blow air on that because it will come back to your face.
Don't pass it. It's okay.
Don't wash it.
Can you get the feed, please?
Ate, kunin mo nga yung ano.
Ate,
Kunin mo nga yung
give Jiko the bird food. Look. You are now entering inside my dinner plate. Just stand on the plate, not on my spoon. Pipa, you are standing on my spoon.
I give them feed.
Oh my goodness. Daddy cannot eat the dinner anymore. She is practicing how to fly. Okay. Feed George. You have to feed George. Wow. Jiko-chan feed Pipa with big black seed. There are
Different type from
poop. How many poops? 1, 2, and 3.
where?
Here, oh. 1, 2, and 3 poops. Okay? So, are you feeding George? Wow. Good job, George. Ano kaya naman ni ate? Okay, see you again tomorrow.